In case you're a business owner and you have been hearing about AI tools, automation tools, and tools that can help you make your work simpler, and you have been wondering and thinking about which one is the best for you to use. If you're in that category and you're watching this right now, make sure to watch this video to the end and don't skip any part of this video, because in today's video I'm going to share with you top 6 AI tools for business owners in 2025. So if this is your first time of coming on to this channel, you're welcome to this channel. Please make sure to like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss whenever I share interesting content like this. All right, without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. Let me show you top 6 AI tools that you should be using for your business if you want to grow your business in 2025. So on my list, number 1 here is ChatGPT. You must have heard about ChatGPT, but in case you have never heard about ChatGPT, let me tell you what it is. ChatGPT is actually an all-in-one AI writing tools that helps you to brainstorm, helps you to plan, helps you to automate your work, helps you to come up with content ideas so that you don't have to think and brainstorm and stress yourself with coming up with ideas. So you can use it to create scripts, you can use it to create content, you can use it to create calendars, you can use it to create content that can help your work, help your business grow faster. So instead of you brainstorming and stressing, you can apply ChatGPT, and you can even use it to automate replies and answer your clients. That is number 1. Number 2 on my list is Canva. Canva is a free tool for graphic design. Actually, it is free and there's a paid version also. If you are a beginner, you can actually use the free version to make your work very, very easy. It has the AI features that helps you to do some magic writing, that's quick writing in case you want to write, and in case you want to design some graphic design for your social media. Maybe you want to do logos, you want to do flyer, you want to do social media kits or presentations for your business. You can actually use Canva to do all of that. All right, in case you want to use Canva, you can just go to your Google Play Store and download the tool from your Google Play Store. That's number 2. Number 3 on my list is Ptory.ai. This is a tool that helps you to turn your text into engaging videos. There are different types, different tools that can help you turn your text into videos, but this one is a very good one. You can actually use this to convert your text into your videos, and the beautiful thing is you can create commercial videos that you can use for your adverts using this Ptory.ai. That is my number 3. Number 4 on the list is Copy.ai. With this tool, you can write your sales copies, you can create copies for your production, you can do product description, you can create email sequences, you can even write different sales copies for your product, and it's a very, very good tool that you can use without stress. So that is CopyAI. The other option is Jasper.ai. You can test all of these to see what you can get from this app. That's number 4. Now my number 5 on the list is Durable. In case you don't have a website and you want to build a website, you are not really good with designs, you can actually use Durable AI tool to build a website for yourself from scratch, and it doesn't take up to 1 hour. In a short time, you can build a website for your business. That is number 5. Number 6 on the list, which is my last one, is AI chatbots. There are different kinds of chatbots that you can use. What a chatbot is that it helps you to respond to questions, respond to messages when you are not available. There are different types, but the one that I can recommend very well for you is ManyChat. It helps you to answer your messages when you are not available. So these are 6 top AI tools that I recommend for you if you are a small business owner. These two can help you make your work easier and faster. So if you want to learn more about how to use AI to automate your business, and you want to learn how you can make money using AI, just go to the link in the description, check for links to my resources, or you can drop a message for me in the comment section. All right, I believe you have gotten value from this video. If you got value from this video, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss whenever I share important, interesting content like this. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.